Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to use the auto-saving setting in classification editor function in LiDAR 360. First, we need to open the classification editor function. On the top menu bar of the LiDAR 360 main interface, click on the classification menu. Find the classification editor tool and click to open it. Then you will notice that the Save Results icon is grayed out. Next, we need to perform some classification editing on the data. For example, select the Polygon Selection tool, change the To class in the category settings to High Vegetation, and perform operations on the data. After completing a step of classification editing, you will see that the Save Results icon becomes clickable. Click on the drop-down menu of the Save icon, and in the drop-down, click on Setting to open the Setting pop-up window. In the pop-up window, check the Automatic Save option and set the desired time interval for auto-saving. Click OK, and LiDAR 360 will automatically save your classification editing result by the interval you set. That's the entire process of auto-saving setting. Thank you for watching.